Typically appliances, we like to keep all of them. If we can pull them out by hand, then we can sell them for even 50 bucks a piece, even if they don't work. Right. You know? So maybe you do that with the fridge here, which you can pull a wall off over there and then just pull it out to the side. Make it a lot easier to get out. Exactly. All the masonry, keep it separated. So the block slab, these steps in the front, those steps will go back and we'll put them on. We've got a pallet at the shop that we already have a bunch of those on. That whole slab you'll have to pull up and break up, keep all of it separate. The block underpinning all the way around. There's going to be paired, you know, blocks underneath. Keep all that separated. All that can go back to the shop. C&D go to the trash dump, and then the scrap metal will go to the scrap yard beside the shop. What's going on, guys? It's John Seaman with JC Property Professionals. We're starting a demo here, and I want to go over a couple things with you guys on how we demo. So the biggest thing is our landfill here wants all materials separated, and for cost purposes, for financial reasons, you want to separate everything. So C&D, meaning anything construction, shingles, plywood, 2x4s, flooring, anything like that, is all in one pile. Our scrap metal gets put in another pile, and then all of the masonry, meaning block, brick, concrete, anything like that gets put in another pile. The C&D stuff, we can have nothing over 4 foot long. So we use the machine to break all that stuff up really small for 2 reasons. Number one, the landfill doesn't want anything over 4 foot long, because when they put it down in their trailers, it can then push holes in the sidewalls of their trailers. And number two, if everything's broken up really small, we can put more into our dump trucks to get it all out of here faster and in less trips. The scrap metal, we could haul to the landfill, but we want to haul that to the scrap yard to try to get some return on the demo. And then the masonry debris, we bring all of that to our yard where we'll crush up and repurpose for sub-base on roads for our grading department. We also don't want to pay for the scrap metal or the masonry to be brought to a waste facility when we can repurpose that stuff. So the three biggest things here is getting everything separated into the 3 piles, breaking everything really small, and then trying to be as efficient with the cost as possible, breaking everything up, separating everything really well, getting money back where we can. The masonry we can return and get more money for that as well, repurposing that.